told you YouTube doesn't care about your first video or even your first 10. Today I want to talk about something I learned from my own experience with the YouTube algorithm. And honestly, this changed the way I think about content forever. About a month ago, I started a YouTube Shorts channel. At first, it felt like nothing was working. The views were low, subscribers barely moved, and every upload felt like a waste of time. I started questioning everything. Was the content bad? Was the niche wrong? Was YouTube just too competitive? But instead of quitting, I kept uploading. One video, then another, until I reached over 50 shorts. And that's when everything changed. Suddenly, my channel started moving. I gained over 2,000 subscribers. Some videos reached hundreds of thousands of views, and a few crossed millions. That's when I realized something. The YouTube algorithm is not random. A lot of people think YouTube is luck. It's not. It's data. And YouTube is collecting data on you every single time you upload. It watches everything. How many people click, how long they stay, if they leave in the first few seconds, if they watch until the end, if they re-watch, if they comment, if they share. Every action tells YouTube something, and this is important. Your first videos are not just for viewers, they're for the algorithm. Your first uploads are basically teaching YouTube who you are, what your content is about, what kind of audience should see it, and that takes time. That's why so many creators quit too early. They upload 5 videos, get low views, and assume it's over, but YouTube still doesn't understand them yet. Think about it like this. If you upload only 5 videos, that's very little data. But if you upload 50 shorts, YouTube has way more information. It starts seeing patterns. It notices this creator talks about this topic. People like this style. This type of viewer stays longer. And slowly, it builds confidence. And once YouTube gains confidence, that's when things start moving. This is why consistency matters so much. Not because consistency is magical, but because consistency feeds the algorithm. And there's another thing people ignore: retention. Retention is huge. If people leave in the first few seconds, YouTube notices. It tells the system your content failed to hold attention. That's why hooks matter. Your title matters. Your thumbnail matters. Your first sentence matters. Everything matters, because if you lose the viewer early, nothing else matters. Another thing I learned: niche matters more than people think. If you post random content every day, YouTube gets confused. One day gaming, one day finance, one day motivation. The algorithm doesn't know your audience. And if it doesn't know your audience, it can't push your content effectively. That's why staying in one niche helps so much. It builds clarity, and clarity builds momentum. Also, don't be afraid to copy trends in the beginning. Not copy exactly, but study what works. Look at formats, look at pacing, look at hooks, because trends already have proof. They already have attention. And if you understand why they work, you can apply that to your own content. That's one of the fastest ways to grow early. And here's the truth most people won't tell you. Your first 10 videos, practice. Your first 20, learning. Your first 50, that's where the algorithm starts recognizing you. And after that, everything can change very fast. So if your views are low right now, don't panic. Don't quit. And don't think YouTube hates you. Keep posting, keep improving, keep giving the algorithm data, because sometimes your breakthrough is only a few uploads away. And once it happens, you'll understand why consistency was worth it.